Hello everyone. I hope you all are enjoying this AI series. Today we will learn about ChatGPT 3. To use ChatGPT, or any other language model like GPT-3, more effectively and get advanced results, here are some tips. Provide clear instructions. Start your conversation with a specific instruction or request to guide the model. Clearly state what you want from the model and any constraints or requirements you have. Use system messages. You can use system-level instructions to guide the behavior of the model. A system message is a message that begins with system and provides high-level instructions that can influence the model's behavior throughout the conversation. For example, you can instruct the model to speak like Shakespeare or pretend to be a famous person. Break down complex queries. If you have a complex question or task, consider breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts. You can ask the model to tackle one part at a time and then build upon the results. Experiment with temperature. Temperature is a parameter that controls the randomness of the model's output. Higher temperature values, example of 0.8, produce more random and creative responses, while lower values, example of 0.2, make the model more focused and deterministic. Experimenting with temperature can help you strike the right balance between creativity and coherence. Adjust the max tokens. The max tokens parameter allows you to limit the length of the response generated by the model. By setting an appropriate value, you can control the length of the model's output and prevent it from going beyond certain limits. Prompt engineering. Crafting a well-designed prompt is crucial for getting meaningful responses. You can provide context, specify the format you want the answer in, or ask the model to think step by step before answering. Experiment with different prompts to see what works best for your use case. Use user messages effectively. When having a multi-turn conversation with the model, be explicit in referring to prior messages to provide context. You can use the conversation history to maintain context and guide the model's responses. Iterative refinement. Sometimes, the initial response from the model might not be exactly what you need. In such cases, you can iteratively refine the instruction or ask the model to clarify its answer. You can build upon the previous responses to help the model understand your requirements better. Thank you. You may have liked it. Subscribe to Creative Life and grow with us. Join our AI series to grow your skills. Thank you for subscribing. We will be coming soon with a nice content.